It's that time of year again, and we're heading to the Pumpkin Factory in Corona. Since we went on a Sunday, we did pay $5 per person, which was $20 total. Monday through Thursday is free to get in. If you want to get on the rides and play the games, you gotta pay for these tickets. We got the $100 for 120 tickets. Every year the Pumpkin Factory do have a different games and different rides each year. So this year is a little different. So I'm gonna show you guys all the rides. For $100, these are all the rides that they got on.